Okay guys, we are back again today. I'm sorry that I haven't done anything. I haven't uploaded anything. If you want to comment to me, text me, anything, do not. If you want to do anything, text me, stuff like that. Do it through Instagram. My Instagram is ElasticMad4224. Follow me, I'll post it. And yes, let's go there. Where I'll be showing you how to hack Pixil car racing. Let's go search Lucky. Lucky, Patcher, Lucky Patcher, and search. Then you're gonna see the goods in 6.3.8. No, you're gonna want to go down to Lucky Patcher 63.7 by uptodown.com. And click download. But I'm gonna click cancel. You're gonna want to click download. And once you get there, you're gonna want to click Lucky Patcher on your phone. And say loading packages. And then you pick any game you want from here. What? And you're gonna want to hold this. You're gonna want to click create a modified APK file. And you want to click the third one and rebuild the app. You're gonna want to wait. I'm gonna cancel this, and you should let it. Who's gonna do it? Then you're gonna go in. But of course, you have to have it download on your phone. So, guys, I hope this has helped you. And in the link below, there's going to be my Instagram on the website. So, hope you had a good time. Like, subscribe, do all that. Just help me.